Hi everyone! In today's video, we're sharing touching stories of animals reaching out to humans for help. Get ready to see some truly remarkable examples that will restore your faith in humanity. Seeing a dog in danger on a sweltering day, a man shattered a BMW's window to save it. The dog is now safe, and that's what truly matters.
Yeah, he's sweating.
These two men stepped in to free a horse trapped among the trees. Without their help, the horse's fate could have been much worse. While driving on the highway, a man noticed a baby kangaroo trapped in a sewer. He quickly stepped in to save the little one. Thank you for your kindness. This sweet alpaca somehow got trapped in a hole, but thanks to some kind people, it's now free and happy.
He's right.
Stuck in the mud, this poor creature found a savior in this compassionate guy who's working to free it. This sloth was slowly crossing the road, oblivious to the risks. Fortunately, a caring individual stepped in and safely escorted it back to its habitat. Here's another great rescue. You took a few seconds to help the sloth, but you made a huge impact. Your kindness is truly commendable.
Watch with the cars.
Let me take that off your head. Come on now. It's okay. It's okay.
This skunk was trapped with its head in a Coke can, but a good Samaritan stepped in to help. It's so heartwarming to see the skunk free and back to safety.
Really fun, man. This one here.
Imagine how hard this turtle struggled with a net stuck on it for days. Thankfully, kind people came to the rescue. It's heartbreaking how many marine animals suffer from pollution and don't get a second chance like this turtle. Oh my god, without this man's quick action, who knows what might have happened to the sea lion? Thanks to this dedicated rescue team, a stranded mother killer whale was saved at low tide and joyfully reunited with her calf. These guys discovered a deer trapped in an underground cave. It must have been terrifying for the deer, but thankfully, they managed to free it and return it to the wild. Stuck with its antlers and ropes, the deer was freed by this hero. The deer didn't forget to thank him before it left.
He's gonna wear himself out. I think he's already worn out. Damn.
In a similar rescue, this frightened deer was saved by some amazing people who showed great courage and compassion. Truly a heartwarming moment.
Get stuck.
A determined goat rushed into the fence. This man is trying to help, but perhaps similar things happen often. He found a great solution.
He's got one.
After being caught in a soccer net, this great horned owl was saved and can return to its home. Big thanks to the kind souls who helped.
Anda, mírala.
Watch this amazing moment as the sheep is carefully pulled out of the small hole. Such a great rescue. Thank goodness for the compassionate soul who came to the rabbit's aid. You're a hero.
Yes.
Despite the dangers, these firefighters worked hard to rescue the horse from the ice. All's well now. Stuck in front of a car, the aggressive bald eagle was saved by these kind-hearted folks. Great job. Amazing people like this make the world a better place. We need more kindness like theirs. This dog got stuck, but its owner stepped in to help. Keep your pets close and safe to avoid situations like this. The wild boar was stuck in an icy lake while searching for food. Fortunately, kind souls came together to save it and guide it back to its family. While cycling, this guy spotted a small koala struggling in the water. He swooped in to save it and returned it to the forest. This pelican had its beak tangled in fishing line, but thanks to some kind folks, it's now free and safe.
Awesome, guys. What a good deed you guys did. Back, everybody. Yeah, get away. That was awesome. Wow.
这样硬扯不会整个断不下去吗？不知道，有可能。接住了，妙啊！
This man's help rescued a cat from its curious misadventure. The kitten's desperate gaze moved the girl to act, and her compassion gave it a second chance.
Okay.
Caught up. This will be the majority of it.
Exhausted from a day tangled in a net, the fox relaxed and let a kind man set him free.
I was worried about that right leg because it was up, but it's not. It's using it, it's putting.
How smart! The bear family quickly understood the rescuer's intentions and escaped the danger. Scared and trapped by a rope, the bear found hope when the rescue team arrived, freeing it and guiding it back to the wild. Running wild with an arrow stuck in his left side, this deer met his guardian angel. Thank God, he's okay. More than workers, these heroes faced the cold to rescue a chamois in the snow. Stranded by shifting tides, the orca was saved by compassionate people who kept it safe until it could return to the sea. After the rope was removed, the sea turtle turned to show its gratitude to the divers. The eagle chance of survival came thanks to a woman who bravely assisted it, even though it caused her pain. Despite being caught in a trap and visibly angry, the cougar was bravely freed by a compassionate rescuer. A cheeky monkey with its head stuck in a rock cried for help, and firefighters went above and beyond to rescue it safely. Miraculously, the deer survived with an arrow in its head. After surgery, it returned to its stunning self. Even as the floods forced the villagers to evacuate, they didn't abandon the animals in need. So what a kind deed. He's ensuring the turtle returns to its rightful place. The turtle would certainly say thank you if it could. This orphaned 1-month-old kangaroo had slim chances, but everyone rallied together to give it their best shot. In an unexpected turn, the mother horse was stuck and her foal was distressed. Thanks to this man's help, they're now reunited and moving freely. Bravely wrestling a predator, the man rescued his puppy. The seagull at the man's window seemed worn out and hungry from the previous day's hailstorm. Covered in snow and unable to see, the deer was able to find its way back to safety with human help. The experts acted quickly when they found a turtle with a fishing net stuck in its mouth, providing urgent care to save its life. Thanks to this man's help, the little bird can now continue its journey. After days wandering with a plastic box stuck on its head, the bear was rescued when security cameras spotted it. The journey of these two men turned into a great memory when they accomplished a good deed. Rescuers found a baby bat shielded by its mother from an electric shock and quickly took it to safety. After a lot of hard work, the team successfully freed the stranded giant freshwater stingray and returned it to its home. Have you ever come to the rescue of an animal in need? Share your stories in the comments below. If this video touched your heart, give it a like and subscribe for more inspiring content. See you next time.